Still on your money. Look at this. Household income hits an all-time high under President Trump. The median household income, that is right in the middle, half more, half less, $61,483. Come on in, Dan Veru with Palisade Capital Management. You say that the good news on the economy is only just beginning. There's more and better stuff still to come. Make your case.
Well, Stuart, just since the financial crisis, we were in a long period of financial repression where we had quantitative easing, all these things all these tools that were meant to prevent, dire, declines in the economy. But we're just coming out of that period now. We never really had the 4%, 5%, 6% GDP growth periods that you would expect to see after a recession ends, particularly of the magnitude we had in the financial crisis. I would argue that really we've just gone sideways for 6 or 7 or 8 years, and it was really the domestic energy boom that sort of masked a lot of the true weakness in the economy.
Are you suggesting that we're going to get to 4%, 5%, 6% growth, at least in a couple of quarters?
You'll definitely have a couple of quarters where you'll have spikes that will be much higher, possibly. Yeah,
really?
But it should average out north of 3.5%. I think those are achievable targets.
Okay, now that's obviously the economic view.
Right.
Transfer that to the stock market view. If you get that kind of growth, does that translate into growing profits and a stock market higher than where it is now?
I can't overstate the impact of tax reform, 100% bonus depreciation of capital equipment into investment. You're finally starting to see an investment cycle occur. That's why we're starting to see the smaller cap names start to outperform the S&P 500. You're seeing a broadening out of the equity markets, and a lot of it's being led by
the Dan,
financials.
I sense in you a reluctance to go out on a limb and say we're going to get a sharply stronger economy and a sharply higher stock market. Will you say that?
Stuart, we're going to get a sharply stronger economy and I believe a rising economy, a rising stock market. There are periods where valuations get a little bit higher and lower. I think that's what makes the case for active management versus passive management that has worked so successfully. The averages may not tell the entire story. You'll have to look at individual stocks.
Got it. Dan Veru, thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.